What is that question? Can there be displacement? Question number 12 at page number 158 of your NCERT textbook. What is that question? Can there be any displacement of an object in the absence of force? Displacement is possible in the absence of force. In the absence of force. It's a very good question asked by our NCERT textbook. Think first. How it can possible? We have seen the Newton's first law of motion, second law of motion, थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. आप अपने अपने माइंड को न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन पर ले जाइए, देन यू कैन गिव द आंसर. थिंक दैट इन न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन क्या था? व्हाट इज दैट न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन?
Sir, if a body remain in rest,
वेरी गुड अनुराग.
remains at rest when there is no change.
And if the body is in motion, then remain in motion. तो बच्चों ये यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चन है, it asks us whether the displacement is possible in the absence of force. So my answer is yes. How? Now I am going to explain. My answer is yes.
Only moving object.
My answer is yes. In the absence of force on the object, in the absence of force on the object, मैं बता रहा हूं डिस्प्लेसमेंट पॉसिबल है. हाउ? फोर्स इज इक्वल टू 0. व्हाट इज फोर्स? फोर्स इज इक्वल टू 0. फोर्स का फॉर्मूला क्या? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फोर्स?
Mass into acceleration.
Very good. Mass into acceleration is equal to 0. Mass into acceleration is equal to 0. As force is equal to mass into acceleration. Since m is not equal to 0, but a is equal to 0. Since mass 0 नहीं है, but a is 0. Acceleration is 0 here. In such a case, जब ऐसा कोई केस होता है, m is not equal to 0, but a is equal to 0. In such a case, the object is either at rest. लिख लो ये आंसर. पहले ये लिख लीजिए. Yes, f is equal to 0, ma is equal to 0. m is not equal to 0. So in such a case, the object is either at a rest or in a state of uniform motion. Or in a state of uniform motion. लिखिए यहां पर, on a state of uniform motion, in a straight line, or state of uniform motion in a straight line. तो ये जो मैंने बाद वाला केस बताया है कि that is motion in a straight line, so I can say here there is a displacement of the object. There is a displacement of the object without any force acting on it. कोई भी चीज अगर चल रही है तो चलती रहेगी और रुकी हुई है तो रुकी हुई रहेगी. That is the special case according to the Newton's first law of motion. Now, see the next question. Question number 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. 13. Question number 13. What is that? Read question. Question number 13. A person holds a bundle of hay over his head for 30 minutes. You are the person and you are having a load here. A bundle on your head like this. I am taking in this manner. Say in this manner. Okay. I am putting a bundle on my head and standing for 30 minutes and get tired. 30 minutes मैंने यहां पर रख करके खड़ा हो गया और थक गया. Get tired. Then what is that? Has he done some work or not? क्या उसने कोई काम किया? Whether it did work or not? Discuss with your teacher. Anushka Rathod. Yes. Anushka Rathod. He is not listening. Arya Suman.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes,
discuss
sir.
with me, Anushka Rathod.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? I am standing here. Suppose it is a bundle of 30 kg. Standing here for 30 minutes. और खड़ा हूं मैं. Whether it work has done or not.
Yes, sir. You have done work as you are carrying that weight on your head.
No, wrong answer.
Sir, the person has no work.
Why बेटा अनुराग? किसने दिया आंसर ये?
Sir, because displacement is 0.
Very good, very good. Who? किसने दिया आंसर?
Anurag Vyas.
Very good अनुराग.
Yes, sir.
अनुराग वेरी गुड. बच्चों हम खड़े जरूर हैं. I am keeping a bundle on my head, but there is no displacement. When displacement is not there, work done is 0. लिखो आंसर में लिखवाता हूं आपको. Write down here. The person holding a bundle on his head get tired as he experience muscular force. लिखो. A person holds a bundle on his head. A person holds a bundle on his head. Get tired. It will get tired due to muscular force. Due to muscular force. Because due to the conversion of chemical energy into thermal energy by the muscular effort. लिख लो आगे. Because in such a case, due to the conversion of chemical energy into thermal energy, जो हमारे शरीर की chemical energy है, that will convert into thermal energy by the muscular effort. By the muscular effort. By the muscular effort, the person has done no work. The person has done no work as the effort causes no displacement. उसने effort तो किया है, but no displacement is there. But no displacement is there. S is equal to 0. No displacement is there. of the bundle over his head. So no displacement is there, or I can say S is equal to 0. Or I can say S is equal to 0. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now see the next question. Question number 14. See the next question. Question number 14. Page number 159. Read the question carefully. What is that? The question is, an electric heater is rated 1500 watt. How much energy does it use in 10 hours? एक 1500 वाट का हीटर है आपके घर पर, गीजर है आपके घर पर, और आप 10 घंटे तक काम में ले रहे हैं. You are using that for 10 hours. 10 hours. This is question number 14. Yes. Power of the electric heater is 1500 watt. Power of the electric heater is 1500 watt, and time here it is given 10 hours. Time here it is 10 hours. So I can say 10 into 60 seconds. 10 into 60 second. तो ये आ गया बच्चों टाइम, that is 36,000 second. These are the things given. Here the things are given. Now, energy used by the electric heater. Energy used by the electric heater. That is W is equal to P into T. P here, that is 1500 watt. 1500 watt into 36,000 second. Here. 36,000 second.
Sir, 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 7 joule.
Very good, nice. करिए बच्चों सभी मल्टीप्लाई करिए. Multiplication is also important part. In our physics, calculation is also very important. बच्चों, we have a weekly test in next month. तो इस चैप्टर वर्क एंड एनर्जी का टेस्ट ले रहा हूं मैं पहले आपका. तो बी प्रिपेयर. Paper pattern that I have sent to you in our group. Numericals, question answering, physics, chemistry, bio, एक पेपर आएगा पूरा, 1 hour paper of 25 marks. So multiply it, what you are getting, that is 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 7 joule. ये आ जाएगा आंसर. Write down. Also, by another way we can do it. W is equal to P into T. Do not convert into second. So 1500 into 10. 1500, another तो दूसरा तरीका बता रहा हूं मैं. In units में निकालना आपको. This is a second method. So 1500 into 10 hours, that is 15,000 watt hour. That is 15,000 watt hour. Divided by 1000. इसको 1000 से डिवाइड करिए तो you will get it 15 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt. If you divide it by 1000, you will get 15 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is called unit. So this is 15 unit. This is 15 unit. लिखिए. So this is the answer. It is also right. Now, see the next question. Question number 15. See the next question we are going to see. That is question number 15. Illustrate the law of conservation of energy. Illustrate the law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. The energy change which occurs when we draw a pendulum bob to one side and allow it to oscillate. Here we are having a pendulum. Say it is a point of suspension. Here is the pendulum. See, earlier also we have seen the pendulum. Once again you can see, because we are in our physics lab, so everything is with us. ये बच्चों pendulum कहलाता है. That I am going to explain law of conservation of energy. Here is a bob. This is called point of suspension. Here is a thread. Here is a thread. Here is a bob. Or this is the point of suspension. Here is the mean position. Here is the extreme end in the right side, and here is the extreme end in the left side. So here these are it is vibrating like this. ये ऐसे जाएगा like this. Now, so we are going to see this question here. Law of conservation of energy. It will allow to vibrate. Why does the bob eventually come to rest? What happens to its energy? Is it a violation of law of conservation of energy? That we are going to learn. सारी चीजें बताऊंगा मैं आपको अभी. See that, draw figure first. Here is a point of suspension. Body going like this. Here and here. This is S, this is O. Now, here the point say A. Here the point say B. Now, this is going like this. At this point, the potential energy is 0 and kinetic energy is maximum. At this point O, EP, potential energy is 0 and kinetic energy is maximum. अभी हम बता रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पर. See that. Let us consider a pendulum suspended from this point S. Suspended from this point S. Let us see here. Through a height. Height is h. Its potential energy is mgh. The potential energy is mgh and kinetic energy as it is at the point B. When we draw the pendulum in one side, say at this point B. मैं पहले ये बात कर रहा हूं point B पर. Here is the point B. Kinetic energy is 0 and potential energy is maximum mgh. It is at starting point A. Now, as it moves from B to O, यहां से यहां आ रहा है आपके पास. In the second case, when the pendulum moves from the point B to O, this potential energy converted, velocity increases and its potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. So at the point O, it has the maximum velocity. The potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is maximum here, 1 by 2 mv square. जैसे ही आएगा, it will overshoot the position and go in this side. When it moves, so at the point O, potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is maximum. Then at the point A, here, velocity decreases, it is raised up to height. Again, it will gain potential energy. Where temporarily comes to rest. तो यहां पर जैसे आएगा, velocity kinetic energy 0 and potential energy maximum. Here. So we are getting this one. Again it moves from A to O. पहले यहां से ये आया, फिर ये गया, फिर वापस इधर आएगा. In the fourth position. Again it goes from A to O. Again potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Potential energy changes into kinetic energy. यहाँ potential energy maximum है. Converted into kinetic energy. And when it moves from O to B, again kinetic energy changes into potential energy. Again kinetic energy changes into potential energy. Kinetic energy potential energy में बदल रहा है, potential energy kinetic energy में बदल रहा है, और ये move करेगा बराबर. At the point A and B, it is a particular height. यहाँ potential energy maximum है. So I can say, my dear children, the pendulum oscillates in between the two positions A and B. Pendulum oscillates in between the 2 points A and B. There is a continuous exchange in between the potential energy and kinetic energy. Kinetic energy घट रही है तो potential energy बढ़ रही है, potential energy बढ़ रही है तो kinetic energy घट रही है. So the total sum of energy remains constant. The total sum of energy EP plus EK is always constant. अगर ये 0 है तो ये maximum है तो ये 0. The total energy remains constant. That is according to the law of conservation of energy. There is no loss of energy. यहाँ हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं कि there is no loss of energy while moving. There is no loss of energy. अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, then it will follow the law of conservation of energy. Okay? ये जो bob है हमारा comes to rest because it loses energy. लेकिन एक्चुअल में क्या होता है? थोड़ी देर बाद ये हिलता है, फिर रुक जाता है. तो loss of energy is due to the air resistance offered to the bob. Why that it comes into rest? First we get air resistance. Write down air resistance on a bob. Ligo, it comes to rest because air resistance offered to the bob and the friction at the point of support. और यहाँ पर frictional force लगता है. And the friction at the point source S. तो दो फोर्स लग रहे हैं, एक एयर रेजिस्टेंस एंड सेकंड वन इज फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ सस्पेंशन हियर, ड्यू टू विच इट कम्स टू रेस्ट. ओके, आई कैन से माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, if there is no loss of energy, then it will follow the law of conservation of energy. But in actual practice, this experiment, if we are doing in vacuum, there is no loss of energy, no air resistance are there, तो इट विल फॉलो. ओके, यस सर. बना लीजिए फिगर और लिख लो. The entire process is according to the law of conservation of energy, where energy only changes from one form to the another form. Energy changes from one form to the another form. Some questions are still left. We will do in our next module. Okay? Yes, dear children, is it any problem? Then ask. Aditya, attendance हो गया बेटा?
Sir, can you repeat the conclusion of this answer?
लिखो. Write
Yes, sir.
down in conclusion. It follows the law of conservation of energy. This follows the law of conservation of energy, where energy changes, where the energy changes from one form to the another form. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, Aditi, see that at last we are having here only 20 participants. तो इसका मेरे को फोटो भेज दीजिएगा. Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye, bye.